Hello ma'am and good morning. I am Muhammad Johairuddin. So this is my video presentation and what will we discuss in this video presentation? So the first one is case study number 3, did Rizal retract? So the second one is primary source, Rizal retraction. So let's look and learn within case number 3, did Rizal retract? So Jose Rizal is identified as a hero of the revolution for his writings that center on ending colonialism and liberating Filipino minds to contribute to creating the Filipino nation. So si Jose Rizal daw is ini-identified niya ang kanyang sarili na siya ay isang hero. So the great of volume or Rizal life work was committed to end particularly the more influence once tong dalawa god na nole metanghiri and el pelebestarismo as law. So his essay vilify not the Catholic religion but the friars, the main agents in justice in the Philippines. So yon. So such document purportedly exists, allegedly signed by Rizal a few hours before his execution. So gisign pa daw ni Rizal after the execution. So the second one is primary source, Rizal retraction. I declare myself as a Catholic, and in this religion in which I was born and educated, I wish to live and die. Ini-declare daw ni Rizal ang kanyang sarili na ang religion niya ay isang Catholic. And I retract with all my heart whatever in my words, writings, publication, and conduct has been contrary to my character as son of the Catholic Church. I believe and I confess whatever she teaches and I submit to whatever she demands. I abominate Masonry as the enemy which is the church, and as a society prohibited by the church, the diocesan prelate may as the superior ecclesiastical authority make public this spontaneous manifestation of mine in order to refer the scandal which my acts may have caused, and so the God and people may pardon me. Manila, 29 of December of 1896, Jose Rizal. There are 4 literations of the text of this retraction. So the first one was published in La Voz Espanola and Diario de Manila on the day of the execution, 30 December 1896. So the second text appeared in Barcelona, Spain in the magazine La Juventud a few months after the execution, 14 February 1896, from an anonymous writer who was later revealed to the Father Vicente Balaguer. However, the original text was only found in the Ardiocese on 18 May 1935, after almost 4 decades of disappearance. That's all. Thank you.